The Motorola Edge 60 Ultra is shaping up to be one of Motorola's most ambitious flagship devices yet, combining cutting-edge performance with premium design. Based on leaks and early reports, the phone is expected to feature a 6.82-inch AMOLED display with a sharp 1200 by 2780 resolution and an ultra-smooth 165Hz refresh rate, delivering an immersive visual experience. It's likely to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, or possibly a newer Elite variant, coupled with up to 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of internal storage, making it a performance beast for gaming and multitasking. The rear camera setup may include a massive 200MP main sensor alongside two 50MP lenses, while the front could sport a 60MP selfie camera, catering heavily to mobile photography enthusiasts. Powering the device would be a 4,600 mAh battery with blazing 120W fast charging support. With its curved display, sleek design, and flagship-tier features, the Motorola Edge 60 Ultra could be a serious contender in the 2025 premium smartphone market.